Hi everyone.
Welcome to Apple Voice. Voice of Apple.
I am your host Srinivas. Welcome back to our audiobook Numbers Made Easy. This is our 25th episode in the series of tutorials on numbers application on Mac. In this episode, I am going to show you how to use the count function on a numbers spreadsheet inside the numbers application on Mac with voiceover. Without further delay, let's get started.
Finder, Everest, Desktop, Everest.
I am on the desktop right now. I am opening my home folder with Command Shift H.
Srinivas, Window, Column View.
I am interacting with this column with Vivo Shift down arrow.
Apple,
I am navigating to my documents folder.
Docs, Documents.
I am just pressing the right arrow to go to that file.
Attendance,
Command O to open this file inside the numbers application.
Open. Numbers, Attendance, Window, Table 1, 71 rows, 26 columns, 71 cells selected has keyboard focus.
I am interacting with this numbers spreadsheet with Vivo Shift down arrow.
Total, column header cell.
We are on the first row, last column.
Total, column header cell.
Command left arrow to go to the first cell on this first row.
S. No, column header cell, row header cell.
The title of this first column is serial number. I am just hitting the tab key to show you the headings of various columns inside this table.
Roll no, column header cell. Name of the candidate, column header cell. January 22nd, 2026, column header cell.
So in this spreadsheet, I have filled the serial numbers, names of the candidates, their roll numbers, and their attendance on various dates. Command right arrow to go to the last cell of this table.
Total, column header cell.
Now I am hitting the tab key to add an extra column to this table.
Column header cell.
I am just pressing the down arrow to go to the next cell on this column.
Empty cell.
First, I am going to show you how to use the count function on this spreadsheet. The count function actually counts cells which are filled with numbers as entries. I am pressing equal to sign to enable the formula mode in this cell.
Formula editor.
I am just typing count
Count.
followed by a left parenthesis by using Shift 9.
Count.
Next I am entering the range of cells from D2 up to Z2.
Count.
So I have to type D2,
Capital D. Suggestions available. 2. D2.
and then I have to type Z2.
Z. 2.
Next I have to type the right parenthesis by using Shift 0 to close this formula.
Right paren. Closing function count.
Next I am hitting the return key to apply this formula.
Attendance. Window. 23. Formula result.
Now you can observe the result in this cell. I am just pressing the up arrow.
23. Formula result. Cell.
You can see 23 in this cell. That means there are 23 cells on this row from D2 to Z2 that are filled with numerical entries. Now I would like to show you how to use COUNTIF formula for this data on this spreadsheet. Command left arrow to go to the very beginning of this row.
346. Row header cell.
Next I am hitting the tab key to move cell by cell on this row.
24,011 a 346. Cell. RK Srinivas Rao. Cell. 0. Cell.
I am changing the entry 0 of this cell with A for absent.
Word. A.
Again I am hitting the tab key.
0. Cell.
Again I am typing A.
Word. A.
To mark an absent in this cell by replacing 0. Command right arrow to go to the last cell of this row.
20. Formula result. Cell.
Now I am pressing down arrow.
Empty cell.
I am pressing the equal to sign to enable formula mode.
Formula editor.
Next I am typing count if
Countif.
followed by a left parenthesis by typing shift 9.
Countif.
Next I am typing the range of the cells from D2 up to Z2.
Capital D2. Colon D2 Z2.
Next I have to type a comma.
D2 Z2 comma.
Next I am typing a quotation mark
Quotation mark.
and then I am typing the letter A and I am closing the quotation mark.
Quotation mark.
I am closing this formula by typing the right parenthesis by using shift 0.
Right paren.
Next I am hitting the return key to execute this formula.
Closing function countif. Table 1, 71 rows, 27 columns. 3. Formula result. Cell.
Now you can see the number 3 in this cell.
3. Formula result. Cell.
It has counted the number of absents for the candidate in the second row. Now I am going to tell you another use case of the same COUNTIF formula. Say for example, I have entered the marks for the students in a row or column, and let us say the pass mark is 35 marks. If a student gets more than 35, then he is announced as pass. To count how many number of students got more than 35, we can use COUNTIF formula. I am pressing the down arrow to go to an empty cell.
Empty cell.
Here I am pressing the equal to sign to enable formula mode.
Formula editor.
Next I am typing COUNTIF
Countif.
followed by a left parenthesis.
Countif.
Next I am entering the range.
Capital D. C2. Colon D2. Z2.
Followed by a comma.
D2 Z2 comma.
Next I am typing a quotation mark.
Quotation mark.
Later on I am typing a greater than symbol by pressing shift period.
Greater than.
Here I am entering 1 because on this spreadsheet I have a few numbers that are greater than 1. You can enter 35 instead of 1 in the case of marks. So I am typing 1 and I am closing the quotation mark.
1 quotation mark.
Next I am closing this formula by typing the right parenthesis.
Right paren. Closing function countif.
I am hitting the return key to execute the formula.
Attendance. Window. 18. Formula result.
You can see the number of entries that are greater than 1 in the second row from D2 up to Z2. In this process, we can use the count functions on a numbers spreadsheet inside the numbers application on Mac with VoiceOver. If you have any queries or feedbacks on this episode, You can write an email to my email address appleabilities@gmail.com. You can also listen to these episodes by visiting my YouTube channel Apple Voice. All these links are provided in the show notes of this episode. I hope you have enjoyed this episode and I'll meet you soon with another episode like this. Until then, follow us and stay tuned. Thank you all. Thanks for listening and bye for now.
This is an
This
Apple
is an
Voice
Apple Voice
presentation.
presentation.